So for the first one, they want you to figure out what is the missing angle. Angles are on the inside. So an angle is going to be on the inside, this is the inside. And then angle B is 47 degrees. Inside. And then I go 180 minus 83 plus 47. So I'm going to go 83 plus 47. 83 plus 47, 180 minus 130, boom, 50. Angles, angles, angles. Okay? Then I'm going to do the sides. The sides, let me find the sides are what is on the outside. Okay? So that means I know AB, 7. BC, BC, 10, CA, CA, 9. Done. Let's go to the next page. Okay, find the scale factor. So let me find that one. So it says here, scale factor. Remember, scale factor is new over the original. So this is my original. This is my new. I find the match. And I go 30 over 25. Divide by 5. 6 over 5. Big on top. Enlargement. Okay? All right, let's go to the next one. State the transformation. So that means it's either a translation, a rotation, or a reflection. So let's look through. Rotation means turn. Well, it's not turning. Translation means slide, same, same. So it is a reflection. Flip. Reflection. Okay? That's reflection because that was yellow. All right, solve the proportion. 8a equals 36. Divide by 8. Divide by 8. Divide by 2, a equals 18 over, divide by 2, 18 over 4, divide by 2, 9 over 2. That one I think you're good at. So I'll rewrite that. A equals 9 over 2. Okay? If you did this in the calculator, 36 divided by 8, and then you second PRB, it gives you something ugly, so you have to use the fancy calculators or know how to do it. Okay? They want you to find the lengths of the missing. So that means I need to find this, and I need to find this. Okay? So find the match. I could use these two, but they're too big. I'm going to go 8 over 12 equals. I'm going to find this one. So this is with the 8 on top. And then this is with the S on the bottom. 12x equals 8 times 17.7, 141.6. Divide by 12. Divide by 12. 11.8. So 11.8, done. Now I'm going to find this one. Do the match. Okay. If you look here, this is with that one. So the 14 is with the 8, top, 8, 14, 8, 14. Bottom is with the 12, x. 8x equals 14 times 12, 168, divided by 8. Boom, 21. So I put 21 right here. Okay. Use the Pythagorean theorem to find the missing sides. When I see the Pythagorean theorem, that's this right here. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. This is your A and your B, so that's your C. 9 squared plus x squared equals 15 squared. 9 squared means 9 times 9, 81. X squared equals 15 times 15, 225. They're on different sides. Minus 81, minus 81. Subtract 81. Okay, let's try it again. Sorry, I went too fast. 144 square root 12. So there it is, my missing side. Okay, last problem, complete the similarity statement. So we're saying we can start with whatever we want. Let's go A, B, C. So A, B, C. So that's 9, that's 6, that's 12, which means this is the smallest, this is the biggest, this is the medium. 3, 4.5, 6. This is the smallest, this is the biggest, this is the medium. So there's A, there's C, there's B. So it goes small, large. So small, large, D, E, F. And that's your homework. Please make sure you're good to go. There'll be a couple more questions on the quiz, but that's most of it.